Ready for exam? 14 tips to score good marks. Only studying hard and gaining knowledge is not enough to score good marks. Presenting it on a paper is also a key to success. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technoshala Assam. After a long period of time, please subscribe for more videos like this. Want to score good marks? Then stay tuned and please watch it till the end. So let's get started. Avoid weak verbs. Example, she gave assistance to me. Here, gave is the weak verb. Instead of that, you can write, she assisted me. Assisted is a strong verb. Second, avoid using short forms like wasn't, don't, shouldn't, couldn't, gonna, wanna. Don't use all this. Instead, use was not, do not, could not, should not. Up next, avoid using some words very, a lot, there is, really, there are. Example, she thinks science is very hard. You should write she thinks science is difficult. The movie was really controversial. The movie was controversial. There is a function at the school. You should write the school is holding a function. Up next, make sentences short. Example, there are many problems in his family. You should write, his family is facing problems. He is very clever and humorous. You should write, he is witty. Up next, a good word knowledge. Try to learn and use new words. Try to read every day. Try to learn the roots of words. Try to use thesaurus. Try to develop practical vocabulary. Try to find words you do not know. Try to maintain a journal. You can pause the video and take a note of this point. This is very important and will surely make you score good marks in your exam. Introducing the answer. Okay, so always start with a catchy line. Try to start with a quote or a statement. You can include a definition and always keep it short and to the point. A proper body. The body must include the description of the answer. Write formulas if needed. Must consist of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Up next, diagrams. Try to include diagrams to your answers whenever possible. Always level your diagrams. It helps to score more marks. Subjects where you can add diagrams are mathematics, geography, biology, etc. Point of view. Yes, always try to give your own opinion. Make it precise and informative. Pros and cons are important, but maintain basic writing etiquette. That is the mannerism of writing. Up next, understandable. Proper aligned handwriting. Do not twist your handwriting too much. Avoid grammatical errors and avoid spelling mistakes. Up next, numerical or descriptive. Yes, always go for numericals as there is a 100% probability that you score full marks. But go for descriptive if you are unsure of the numerical part. Up next, proper numbering. Always number your answers properly. Always number the pages of your answer scripts. This is very basic but important. Start with the known. This is a formula. Always start with the known answer or numerical. This boosts your confidence and helps you to save time. Writing tips. Learn to leave and proceed. Do not write unnecessary things. Always write in points and try to describe it as far as possible. Always write the strongest point in the beginning. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you until next Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and please comment on the topic you want the next video.